If I'm back in my car, you know what you're here for, a Sephora haul, because the Sephora Holiday Savings event has started. I don't know when this video is gonna go up. I'm trying for Friday, October 27, when I'm filming this video, right? But I do have a couple other uploads too, so I don't know what goes first or second, whatnot. I have been recording a lot of content for Sephora, not paid sponsorship, not in partnership, not nothing of that, but just basically I did a Sephora recommendations in the form of the best makeup of 2023 that you can find right now at Sephora. Hopefully you're able to watch this video. And then I did a second one where basically I speak about skincare, hair care, fragrances, gift sets that are amazing that you can find right now at Sephora. And aside to that, I also did a video of like get ready with me with the best makeup at Sephora. So hopefully you were able to watch those videos. But what did I got right here? Oh my gosh, I have to show you. Well, nothing very exciting, perhaps for all of you, but you know, my friends, in my household, we are fans of the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. It smells incredible. This is the new edition. Every year, well, every holiday season, they come out with the Biggie, which is a big size of the Boom Boom Cream. And it comes with this little bottle that looks like a surfboard. So this is it. Big jar, smells amazing. A little smell right here. Ooh, my gosh, this is so good. Did I just? No, okay. I didn't make a mess out of it. And then the bottle this year is green, which is so cute. It's so cute. It seems like by this time I'm collecting them. I think I have, what colors I have? I have a purple one, I think a yellow one, and then these. I don't even remember. Anyhow, then in a store, I also went ahead and purchased this baby. Is the Prada Paradoxe Parfum. I'm not gonna spray it. I'm not gonna open it because, you know, my friends, I already have it. This is actually a present. And if you're a family member, no, it's not for you. It's for someone else. If it's for the family, I'm not gonna show. Okay, friends. And then I also got the new House Labs concealer. This is the Triclone Skin Tech Concealer. This is one that I haven't tried, but I heard really great things about it. I got it in the shade, let me tell you, this is what? 22 Light Medium Peach. And the reason why I choose peach shades is because I do have very dark under eye circles, and it's a way for me to avoid having to use a color corrector, and it actually really helps with canceling those dark under eyes. Oh, I don't want to make a mess right here. No, I don't want to take it out and get it. I have very light leather in my car, so I don't want to make a mess with makeup. But rest assured that you will be seeing me using this baby in a try-on haul, you know, Sephora try-on haul. I was like, what I'm trying to say. Oh, and also I got this Charlotte Tilbury Brow Cheat Micro Precision Brow Pencil. So this is one that I absolutely love. This one, the one from Hourglass. I also like, what's the other brand? Well, Gucci, obviously. But the one from Gucci, the one that I have is perfect. The only thing is, I'm sure I'm going to be done fairly soon with it. So I really needed a backup of this. Okay, let me show you what else I got. Now, the rest of the items, I got them online, but I bought them before the sale. I know, very silly of me, but I had a few cards to redeem. I just put everything in a box because it came in multiple boxes. If you don't know, if you get to a certain points, I think it's 2,500 points, you can redeem them for $100 that you can use it at a purchase either online or in a store. So I was able to redeem my points. You have to do it in certain days, certain times. But you see, that's another thing that I enjoy about the Sephora Insider program too, because I mean, it's not only free. I shop a lot at Sephora because of the nature of this channel. So I get to accumulate a lot of points and then redeem them for products. So two of the products that I got with my card was this money mask. You know, my friends, this is the hair masks that I use for my hair, and every holiday season they come with these gift sets. So for this year they have the extra large bombshell volumizer and the color security shampoo, and this shampoo is really good if you have, you know, dye hair like mine and you want something that actually is not really clarifying, but I noticed that it really cleans your hair. It reminds me a lot to the Olaplex number 4 shampoo, so this is great. And my money mask is something that it doesn't fail. I always have to have it no matter what, because not only I use it, but also my oldest daughter uses, so we always have to have them on hand. In fact, by the time that you're watching this video, I have already ordered more of these sets. One, because it costs the same, pretty much, I think it's just $2 off of what it will cost you just the money mask by itself. And in addition to my discount, I think it is no-brainer to buy it as a set. Then again, I don't know when you're going to be watching this video. Perhaps you have already watched my review on the new Natasha Denona Xenon palette. I don't even have the mini Xenon palette, but when I saw this mini palette, I was intrigued. I know a lot of people may think, okay, well, this is 50 shades of gray, but to me, it's more than that. Honestly, you have to watch my review, but there's something very, very special about this palette that you will not regret at getting it. It's just so beyond beautiful. And I mean, I'm here outside. You can see it. This is natural light. There's the sun almost hitting on my face. I have this thing right here that is shading me a little, but this is a gorgeous, gorgeous palette with different formulations. And honestly, although I do have some smoky eyeshadow palettes, like for example the new ones from the holiday collection of DIOR, of Chanel, the new one from Hermes, there's something very special about this palette and very, very unique. And actually on my video I show you how to create wearable and easy looks for everyday base. I also got, oh my gosh, that Guerlain Meteorites Fierce Glow. This is in the shade Too Clair, but let's see. This is from the holiday collection. Oh my gosh, isn't it this just beyond gorgeous? So stunning. It says Guerlain right here. So pretty. So beyond pretty. Now I do have this shade. Unfortunately, I wish they could have done a, oh my gosh, I don't want to drop the little balls, but I wish they could have done something special rather than just being the tin. But I mean, this is a phenomenal finishing powder, and I will highly suggest you, if you haven't yet tried the Meteorites from Guerlain, I don't know what you're waiting for. They are incredible if you want to have that very ethereal effect for your makeup. I have it right now. It's not this one, but it's just one of those one-of-a-kind products. Now, okay, let me show you what else I got here. Two of the Olaplex number 9 bone protectors. Now, this one I got actually in a store. These are heat protectants. They are kind of like a mask. They really help if you have hair that gets very tangly. So I use these for myself. I use it on my youngest daughter. My oldest daughter also uses it. And it's kind of like a serum for your hair as well. Okay. Now, please send me a box within a box. Oh! I think I remember. This one is the Westman Atelier product. Oh my gosh. Okay. It came wrapped like if you were buying it directly from Westman Atelier website. Oh my gosh. Isn't it so pretty? Look at this. Look at this red box. Imagine just with either gold or silver bow just for the season with, I don't know, with a ribbon. It will look so beautiful already wrapped. This is a story. It's not wood, but it's very sturdy. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Red on red. Kind of hard to see, huh? I would have done perhaps instead of red on red, perhaps red on gold or red on silver. Oh, how I'm going to take this out? Wait a second. Oh, my goodness. Wow. Wow, that was stuck in there. Okay, this is for the first time. Westman Atelier is bringing us a powder blush. So I adore the Westman Atelier blush on a stick, the ones that they are in cream. But now they are introducing the powder formulation in the shade Petal. I cannot wait to try this. And the shade is beautiful. It looks a little bit kind of like a dusty mauve pink. Very pretty. And then this set also comes with, oh, these are stuck. These are hard to take out. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Ah! Okay, for today, finally. Oh wow, they are stuck in there. Okay, and then the Squeaky Clean Liquid Lip Balm in the shade Naturel, which is a natural shade, clear. These are great, kind of like, well, they are lip balms. They are basically like lip treatments. I like them quite a bit, and they are kind of glossy too. And then, what else is in here? Sorry, this is taking me forever. Oh, I see why. So they don't move. They have like a little sticky glue right here. I'll work out to take them out. Let me tell you that. Okay. Oh, the Lit Up Highlighting Stick in the shade Biscuit. Biscuit? Is this a new shade or perhaps not? Maybe I'm confused. I don't remember. I know Biscuit, the contour stick in Biscuit from Westman Atelier, but I don't know about the highlighter stick. Is there a Biscuit or not? I don't know, but anyhow, this is the set. It actually looks stunning, and I cannot wait to try all these products. Oh my gosh, look what I got here. This is from, you know, one of my favorite brands, DIOR. Oh, I came in. I had been eyeing it since the moment it came out, and I'm like, oh, I don't know. So this is from the Backstage line. It's one of their new eyeshadow palettes in Silver Essentials. Look at this beauty. I mean, cool tones. Right now, they are having a moment. Can you see? I know the sun is hitting us already, but this is just so beautiful. There you go. You can see it. Okay. And I cannot wait to try this baby. Another eyeshadow palette. It is my McGRATH. Well, this is an eyeshadow, but kind of like almost like a face palette. And this one is in a Starstruck Splendor. I don't know about the packaging. I think I really like more the, you know, black lacquer from McGRATH, but oh well. This is so pretty. Look at that. Those beautiful blushes, the eyeshadows. I mean, the eyeshadow formulation from McGRATH and the blushes too are so good. And this palette looks so wearable. I love these kind of pink and mauve tones with pop-up greens and bronze. I think this is very, very, very pretty. Are you able to see it? I don't know, because with the sun, oh, there you have it. There you have it. So beautiful. And I got another eyeshadow palette too from Mother Pat McGrath, and it is the Queen in Bronze Ecstasy, which this one I think it's going to be really wearable. I don't know, perhaps, I don't know if to keep it for myself or actually, perhaps I'm going to gift it. I'm not sure. But look at this beauty. I mean, if you like bronze tones, I think this is, I'm trying to like, where can you see this spell? Oh, there you have it. There you go. There you go. Look at the shades. So gorgeous. And these 5-pan palettes are phenomenal. They do have a gorgeous formulation that the eyeshadows, they just glide with easy. What else I have right here? Just a couple more things. Oh, yeah. Sorry. I bought the Tatcha, the Indigo Overnight Repair. I use it myself, but this one in particular is for my mom. She loves these, and this just gives more hydration to the skin. It keeps her skin moisturized, my skin moisturized too. But she actually wears it also in the mornings because her skin gets just really dry, mostly right now that it's fall and as we approach winter. I also got another one of the Touchland Power Mist. I didn't saw this, actually I purchased it in a store, but I didn't saw the set. I know there's a set for the holiday season, actually a couple sets. One that comes, I think, 5 of them, and then one that comes 2 of them. And I didn't saw them in a store, but while I was at the register, they had this one in there, and I really love this scent. It's Applicious. In fact, I do have, well, now it's buried, but I do have one right here in my car too at all times. And finally, it was actually a gift with purchase with one. I don't remember. What did I order that I was able to get this gift with purchase? I don't remember, but it is the Ness Madagascar Vanilla Scent. And oh my goodness, when I'm telling you Ness does the best candles, they do. The scent of this is glorious. It smells like a cozy cabin in the woods, warm, with the fireplace crackling. It smells incredible. But anyhow, this is a mini size, but I have seen that they have the bigger size. They also have it in a set, so I'm so happy because I'm gonna get that candle in the big size. It smells amazing. And you may be wondering, talking about scents, you didn't get any fragrances for yourself. Don't you worry, my friends. This is not my only haul. Like I said, I was able to pop up in a store, and then I had a few things that I have purchased prior the sale started. I know, silly me, crazy me, but anyhow, I have done a lot of damage. So you're going to be seeing a second haul here on my channel. So if you want to see that, it's very easy. You just need to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you ring that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. It would be incredible if you can come and follow me both in my Instagram and my TikTok. If you would like to get any of these products, you should know by now that all the details and the links are on the description box below. But there's also a new feature from YouTube that here on the screen you will find the products. So it's super easy to click and add them to cart, do your shopping that way as well. All those links obviously are affiliate links, and I'm very appreciative for all of you who decide to shop through my links. It really helps to support my channel and keep me going to show you more reviews on the newest, the latest, and the greatest of the beauty world. And if you're not done watching my content, well, I have a ton of content here for you. I will be leaving a couple other videos right here that I'm sure you're gonna love. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends, and until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye-bye!